Or assuming see reblending now, guys. So putting quite organ coco. Guys, I'm done. Mina as in make. Never. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to this family. If you're not new, thank you love, thank you Bube, thank you Suri for coming back, for tuning in. You know the vibe. Guys, my eyes don't look so good, but also alright, I'll be fine. There's a situation in Yana, but we trust in God with that too, cause He's God. Anyways, anywho, so we're doing a 24-hour glow up situation. I will change from this to something else in just 24 hours. I'm sad that I started this video after I've done my nails, but I will take you through my day as I try to glow up. I did my nails, as you guys can already see. So I did my nails, but I will just add clips here and there to show you guys. Anyhow, let me stop talking too much and get down to today's video. Look at my head. We have to change this. We have to look cute. We have to look bright and relevant, like girls who have a bright future, girls with a vibe.
Try to find the reason for the way you made my mind divide. The clearness in my vision when I clearly could not look away. I'm all in, need no warning. Ooh na na na, ooh na na. Pouring the endorphins.
Hey guys, okay, why am I saying hi again? Oh, cause it's so guys, I'm unbraiding my hair right now cause so yeah, so I don't know. I'm thinking of relaxing my hair and just leave it like that for like a week. Cause child, when it is I will look. Can't wait to relax this, baby. What baby thing? Just look at the land. It has grown so much. Love it for me. Guys, guess what? I cannot go to the salon because was the ones in my account training, so I'll relax my own hair. This is the Dark and Lovely Superior Moisture Plus Relaxer. It's a relaxer kit actually. Let me not just say a lot of things. So there's everything that I will need here. This guys, and then so salon bang relax bona ngibe ay kodwa nkosi yami ama takes yabona ke nje ukuhlala ngasemgwaqeni. Ciao. Okay, what's this, honey? What's your Kayams? I love that girl so much. She's a lady. Like, she's a lady. She's the girl she thinks she is. Kayams. This is the cream activator. Day 212. This is the restorative treatment, so it's a moisture recharge. Yeah, this is new wonderful 10 potion coconut oil. Dun. Oh wow, I didn't know about this one, but here it is. And obviously gloves and okay. Ngakazongena njani amahlabeni zipheni delowaziyo. Danko. This is the shampoo. And here's the relaxer. I guess I'll have to mix some things here. Yeah, I'll mix. Let me read the instructions. That's not on, so let me read this thing. I'll see you guys just now. I need language, man. Oh, no English. How to mix. I'm fun with his pong, I mean. I'm saying she's pong, some pong. Okay, I read the instructions. I need to change each and every step because this means the videos will be video relaxing, and I don't want that because I have another video relaxing. So let me just do these things. I'll see you guys later.
Try to find the reason for the way you made my mind divide. The clearness in my vision when I clearly could not look away. I'm all in, need no warning. Ooh na na na, ooh na na. Pouring the endorphins. Ooh na na na, ooh na na na.
Guys, I'm watching an online service. My pastor is at church and they're recording the service for us. I will do my hair right now, then my makeup, but I have to watch the service, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, the service is finished. It was such a nice service, guys. I don't want to lie to you. I don't know what I'm going. Let's see. I don't know. Like, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I don't know how to style this hair, but let's try to do anything cute. Not too much, because I was thinking of putting on a wig, but I'm like, just style your beautiful hair, you know. Let me just tie it up like this. You guys want to take me moods? Yeah, I think it's cool. please don't judge my makeup skills. Nuna, aka Nontlantla_Makate, I'll link her handle down below, is the one who does my makeup most of the time. She always comes to the rescue for me. I cannot do my own makeup. Okay, I can, but it's just that, you know, the vibe. She's the girl, and you guys should check up on her content. Check out yes, Annie. Yes, Annie. Let's see. Let's see. But don't ever get a bit. Sorry, Nana. Or a swimming. But so far so good. Yeah. Yes, girl. Yes, queen. Now let me continue to blend those things. You know the vibe. Sorry. This foundation, yeah, that's that one. So yeah, reblending now, guys. I use small amount of foundation because, like, for real, I get nothing to cover, just that it makes the skin pop and whatever. So, and I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just put a cotton dust. Oh, there's one thing. In tanks and soon. Guys, I miss church. Guys, I miss church. Yup. But we're blessed because we are covering my online services, so we're so blessed. We still have a chance to connect with God, you know, listen to His word and whatever. Guys, nangbo saying cute. Nangbo muhle manje. Nangbo kahle. Let me continue listening to my music. So guys, let me wipe my hands with this facial tissues. Don't touch my wipes. You know it's fine. I'm gonna put on eyelashes right. Guys, next one skin time with have a see.
my mind if I the clearness in my vision when I clearly could not look away. I'm
And we won. Let me stop the song before I get a copyright claim. We won. Eyelashes on. Oh, child. Let's see. What am I looking for? Earrings, child. Big earrings, not those ones. No. Ah, guys, look what I saw. Talban. Ngiyakhumbula ekhaya. Ngidle kanjani? Shayisa. Nah. But I have to wear my attire one day and take cute pictures here. So putting kwebe organjani skoko. Organjani putting kwebe ama hooks. Guys, I'm done. As in makeup, this is all I can do for myself by myself. So there's nothing more. Please, I have to fix this thing here. Wait. Yeah. Ngifake lipstick. Ngifake na. Liquid eyeliner, but I don't need it. No, it's fine. I'm gonna put it. So I get a lipstick again and just very see pale look. It's a finish. It's pale look. It's a finish. And yeah. Because I think I am mama. Guys, I think this is the end of the video. Please like the video, comment down below, share the video, subscribe, you know the vibe, yala zusiko. I'm done. Bye. Please subscribe. Guys, tell me what you think of my look though. Like, what do you think? I think I did great. Nabo? Nangbo? Nangbo na?